Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, February 22nd, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we had kind of a disappointing day today, although technically we did make some money. We had think about positive $11,000 in open trade yesterday on the close, and that kind of petered out. By the time we got out of that, it was only positive about $4,000. So that's a fairly significant pullback. But positive is positive, and let us not complain as long as we're making some money. The Dow actually again made record highs today, uh, officially closing up 32 points. It actually got just within a whisker of hitting 20,800 today. We are within spitting distance of 21,000. I thought the Dow today, though, started to act a little bit toppy. I think it's just had such a spectacular run. I think it's getting a little bit tired, and I wouldn't be surprised if we got a little pullback here. I wouldn't say a big pullback. This is a raging bull market, but we might see a little pullback. I'm going to call it down for tomorrow. Um, but as I say, I don't think it's going to go down really uh, very far. We got into only 6 positions today. 2 are positive, 4 are negative, and we are holding negative $2,700 going into tomorrow. But that is, of course, offset by about positive $4,000 in our closeout trades. I'll show you just a handful of the trades we had today. This first one is, no, that isn't the one I wanted to show you. Let's see here. This first one was the fly in the ointment today, and why we have negative open trade equity. This is JDST, which is inverse gold, basically. And, we this thing rallied the first part of the day, and look at this. We got tagged right here on the high tick of the day, and then it pulls back and pretty much sells off the rest of the day. So we ended up holding open trade in JDST of negative almost $5,000. That was not a good trade. What's kind of interesting about this, I keep talking about this new algorithm for TradeStation 9.5. That algorithm did not get tagged here. It did not get it in. So I'm looking at my screens tonight, and TradeStation 4 that I trade with is negative $2,700, but TradeStation 9.5 that I have my managed accounts on is actually positive 2,500. What a difference a tick makes, and you can see that right up here. But anyway, if you were trading my new algorithm today, you're lucky you didn't get into this trade. Um, but bad trades wasn't necessarily everything that happened today. This was a good one that we got into. This is DRIP, which is inverse gas and oil exploration. And we bought this second hour. It just kept going, closed almost on its high there. And we have positive $3,000 in open trade equity in DRIP. And finally, I gotta show you this. I've showed you this a couple times before, but this is just really a spectacular trade. This is a beauty uh, of trades. This is Tronix. And yesterday, look at this huge gap we had yesterday. We buy the gaps. We got into this thing, and it never really hardly went against us. Kept going up close very nicely yesterday. Then it pops up here, and we get out on a little pop there. Really nice. Folks, that entire trade there was worth $8,000 positive, and closed out for us in Tronics. Just a fantastic trade. Anyway, not a bad day. Not to, I've seen better, but not a bad day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.